If you're using the Apple Watch Ultra 3, Bluetooth is one of the core features that keeps everything connected in the background. It allows your watch to communicate with your iPhone, AirPods, and other accessories without you even thinking about it. Most of the time, Bluetooth is already turned on by default, which is why many users never notice it. But if you're having connection issues or trying to pair a new device, you might need to check or turn it on manually. The confusing part is that there isn't a simple Bluetooth on off switch like on a phone. It's handled slightly differently on the Apple Watch. Once you know where to look and how it works, managing Bluetooth becomes quick and easy. Try these. Step 1. Press the digital crown and open the Settings app. Step 2. Scroll down and tap on Bluetooth. Step 3. Wait for your Apple Watch Ultra 3 to scan for nearby devices. Step 4. If Bluetooth was off, it will automatically turn on when you open this menu. Step 5. Tap on any available device to connect. Step 6. Confirm the connection and check that the device shows as connected.